Bio was decided to merge, was actually representing the Prime Minister, and then earlier we have Klaus Schwab, professor who has founded World Economic Forum, about the kind of sessions that you all put together under the GIA track last year, and even exhibition grew rapidly. And what I was pleased was, though there was a challenge, participated in the exhibition with 3 panel sessions in 5 different halls. On the day 2, the timings are more or less similar. We start at 10 o'clock, only difference is day 1, my first half goes at 10 o'clock, but we conclude little early. We break into again 5 parallel sessions, and then we have with Hon'ble Minister, and then we'll conclude the evening with the gala evening and celebrations. I'm not going to delve into this because we all are eager to listen to you, but I thought these are some of the topics. What we are trying to do is India looking outward.
Business cooperation, so I'll be looking to attract.
This is a critical innovation platform that will assist in strengthening the bilateral relationship between the Government of Canada and the Government of Karnataka, further enriching and broadening the broad range of commercial opportunities that exist between Canadian and Indian technology companies. Last year, we brought 7 companies in a delegation of 7 digital health-focused companies to the 25th edition of the Bangalore Tech Summit, which served as the perfect platform, bringing together experts, entrepreneurs, and visionaries for all of the country. I would like to introduce some of the new residents in the Canadian consulate. So New Brunswick, the province of New Brunswick, is the epicenter of Canada's cybersecurity
and business cooperation, so I'll be looking to attract.
This is a critical innovation platform that will assist in strengthening the bilateral relationship between the Government of Canada and the Government of Karnataka, further enriching and broadening the broad range of commercial opportunities that exist between Canadian and Indian technology companies. Last year, we brought 7 companies in a delegation of 7 digital health-focused companies to the 25th edition of the Bangalore Tech Summit, which served as the perfect platform, bringing together experts, entrepreneurs, and visionaries for all of the country. I would like to introduce some of the new residents in the Canadian consulate. So New Brunswick, the province of New Brunswick, is the epicenter of Canada's cybersecurity.
And the Vice President of Tower Semiconductors, who spoke of the future of chips and semiconductors and what our 2 countries, especially Karnataka, can do together. During BTS, we also always like to take the opportunity to introduce Israeli innovation and innovators. Just during this last edition, when BTS was celebrating 25 years, we brought medtech companies that showcased the cutting edge, and I didn't realize Canada did it too, by the way, cutting edge solutions for the treatment of diseases ranging from breast cancer to joint problems. We even had a company that is working on trying to identify different types of cancer using a patient's breath. All the companies who joined us last year were super impressed.
Learning and growth, availability of talent and innovation ecosystem, and a conducive policy environment are some of the factors enabling economic growth in Karnataka. Karnataka is the most sought-after destination for global capability centers with presence of 40% of GCCs in India. Karnataka is also the most sought-after destination for innovation and inventions. It is ranked #1 in the country in terms of software exports. The share of software exports is over 40% of the country's exports of $155 billion. It is the 4th largest technology cluster and we have the best skilled workforce in the world. We need to be more resilient for the future, and we need to ensure we are ready for challenges for the future innovations. And that is exactly what Government of Karnataka is doing. Hence the theme, breaking boundaries. So we are breaking boundaries for innovations, inventions and investments. And the reason why we have kept the theme for breaking boundaries is to ensure that together we can build a better world. So we have to start with the basic thing. I think the basic foundation to build anything good for innovations and investment is skilling. That is why we have set up a skill advisory committee for emerging technologies with the industry, academia and government. And just to ensure that the industry knows and partners like yourselves know that the Government of Karnataka is extremely serious about it. I myself am heading this committee along with the Ministry of Skill Development. So we have created, so the idea is to ensure that we are future ready with the skill sets. So building of the right skill sets will ensure that we have the right ecosystem for emerging technologies, especially in healthcare and sustainability. We have also created various centers of excellence. As you're aware, we have got centers of excellence for deep tech, Internet of Things, cyber security, agri-innovation, data science and AI, aerospace, semiconductor, fabless, machine intelligence, robotics, and even animation and comics. We also have a center of excellence for efficiency augmentation. And recently, after I have taken over as the Minister for IT and BT, we are also coming up with centers of excellence for health sciences and medical devices, manufacturing, automobile tech, a gaming accelerator, and also a circular economy lab, all of which we wish for you to collaborate with us. Karnataka is taking bold steps to weave together the Global Innovation Alliance with as many countries as possible to facilitate regular knowledge and idea exchanges, fostering innovation and investment on a global scale. Through this initiative, countries within the Alliance host technology sessions where ecosystems connect, the exchange of ideas and people, and discussions on policy environment will take place. The participation of minister-level delegations from key GIA partner countries will further strengthen these engagements. Through international collaborations, we gain access to diverse perspectives, experiences, and ideas. We foster a culture of open dialogue and shared learning, where breakthroughs in one corner of the world can inspire innovation in another. Shared future and seize this moment to forge partnerships that transcend borders and bridge gaps. By working together, we can harness the power of technology to build a brighter, more inclusive and a sustainable world for generations to come. Like we said earlier, let's together break boundaries for a better world. Thank you so much for your attention. Thank you. Thank you.
Anyone else who wants to come on stage as well?